So I want to show you another summer top that I'm making at the moment. This is the Roving Summer top by Irene Lin. This is it here.
So pretty.
Yeah, I can't wait to get to this part here. Like, that just looks fantastic. I'm not going to make it quite as long as that. I like to make it just to come over the top of my jeans, or I'm going to wear it with skinny leg pants as well, because I like generally to have one part of my clothing to be bigger and oversized, and then the other part to be more form-fitting. So with this one, the top will be kind of looser and baggier, and then skinny pants. I am making it in Bellissimo Orchard, which is a beautiful mercerized DK 8-ply weight, 100% cotton, and it's Ivory, the one that I'm using. And Orchard's lovely because being mercerized, it means it's got more of a sheen to it than non-mercerized cotton. I'll show you the difference. We've got some Fiddlesticks Wren here. So if you just have a look there, you can see that this, is that showing up, Janine?
It is. You can just see there's a little sheen on,
a sheen on the Orchard.
The one on the left.
They're both 8-ply, which is amazing, and that shows the difference that not all 8-ply is exactly the same.
Oh, hello. Just had to bring you back into focus.
Sorry about that, everybody.
It wasn't
I'm a
me.
bit soft. So, yeah, Wren is a lighter weight 8-ply than Orchard, and that's just yarn, right? Not everything is exactly the same in all of those different weights. Mercerization means that they treat it with a chemical which actually swells up the fiber, makes it more cylindrical, and therefore reflects light, making it shinier and a bit smoother as well. So it's really lovely to knit with. I love crocheting with it as well.
Yeah, that's pretty.
It's a four row repeat. So once you get into that hang of it, it's actually really nice and easy. Good TV knitting with a little bit of interest. So this top has got a really, really interesting construction. You start from the neckline in the round, and you do this beautiful edging down the shoulder seam there. And when you get to this point, you just take off those little shoulder stitches and you split, and I did the back first and then the front, and then I'm almost at the point where I've got to actually join for underneath my sleeve, and then start doing it in the round all the way down. Then you come back and pick up around your sleeve and do like just I'll show you one here, a little just garter edging on it, and the neck's just got a similar thing, just like a pick up, knit a row, and then cast off, just to finish it off, which is a really nice way of doing it. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this one. I love summer knits. They whip through, don't you? You haven't got your sleeves to worry about. And a nice DK weight yarn too is a quicker knit as well. So hopefully a couple weeks more and I might be wearing